Hello, you are welcome. How to solve this interesting math question, which is x plus y is equal to 100 and xy is equal to 100. Now we have to find the value of xy from this interesting question. So solution. To solve this interesting question, let's suppose this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Now from this equation number 1, which is x plus y is equal to 100. Here we have to move this x to the right side, so this will become y is equal to 100 minus x. So this is, let's suppose this is our equation number 3, which is equal to y is equal to 100 minus x. Now from this equation number 2, which is xy is equal to 100. Now here we have to put the value of y, which is 100 minus x here. So this will become here x times, and the value of y is 100 minus x, which is equal to 100. Now x times 100, this is 100 x, and x times minus x, this is minus x square, which is equal to 100. Here minus x square plus 100x, and we have to move this 100 to the left side, so this will become minus 100, which is equal to 0. Now to solve this, we have to multiply this by minus 1 at both sides, so this will become x square minus 100x plus 100, which is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this interesting question. We have to solve this by using the quadratic formula. So here we know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 100, and c is equal to plus 100. Now we have to solve this by the quadratic formula. Here x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we have to put the value of a, b, c, so this will become x is equal to minus time minus 100 plus minus square root of, here b is equal to minus 100 square minus 4 times 1 times, and c is 100 over 2 times 1. Now in the next step to solve this, here x is equal to minus times minus is equal to plus 100 plus minus square root of, this is 10,000 minus 400 over 2. X is equal to 100 plus minus square root of 10,000 minus 400, so this is 9,600 over 2. Now to solve this interesting question, here this 9,600 we have to divide this by 2, so this is 4,800. Now divide by 2 is 2,400, divide by 2 this is 1,200, divide by 2 this is 600, divide by 2 this is 300, divide by 2 this is 150. Now divide by 2 this is 75. Now divide by 3 this is 25, divide by 5, so this is 25. Now 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 8 times 2 is equal to 16, 16 times 2 is equal to 32, and 32 times 2 is equal to 64. And also here 5 times 5 is equal to 25, and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So we split this 9600 to 64 times 6 times 25. So here x is equal to 100 plus minus square root of 64 times 25 times 6 over 2. Now x is equal to 100 plus minus square root of 64 times square root of 25 times square root of 6 over 2. X is equal to 100 plus minus, and this is 8 times square root of 25 is equal to 5, and square root of 6 over 2. X is equal to 100 plus minus 8 times 5 is equal to 40, square root of 6 over 2. X is equal to, here we have to take 2 common, so 2 taking common, so here 50 plus minus 20 square root of 6 over 2. So here this 2 cancel with this 2, so finally x is equal to 50 plus minus 20 square root of 6. So here this is the value of x, which is 50 plus minus 20 square root of 6. So here x1 is equal to 50 plus 20 square root of 6, and here x2 is equal to 50 minus 20 square root of 6. Now these are the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. Now to find the value of y, we know that from the equation number 3, which is y is equal to 100 minus x. So from this we have to find the value of y. So here first of all y1 is equal to 100 minus x1, and here y2 is equal to 100 minus x2. Now here y1 is equal to 100 minus, here x1 is equal to 50 plus 20 square root of 6. Now y1 is equal to 100 minus 50 minus 20 square root of 6. y1 is equal to 100 minus 50 is equal to 50 minus 20 square root of 6. This is the value of y1, and this is x1. Now we have to find y2. So here y2 is equal to 100 minus, here x2 is 50 minus 20 square root of 6. y2 is equal to 100 minus 50 minus time minus is equal to plus 20 square root of 6. So here y2 is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50 plus 20 square root of 6. So this is the value of y, which is 50 plus 20 square root of 6, and this is x2. So finally the answer and the value of xy is, first of all x1 y1, this is here x1 is 50 plus 20 square root of 6, and y1 is 50 minus 20 square root of 6. Now here x2 and y2, this is here x2 is 50 minus 20 square root of 6, 50 minus 20 square root of 6, and here y2 is 50 plus 20 square root of 6. So these are the value of xy and the answer of this interesting question. Now we have to verify either these values are correct or not. So here we know that to check the question is x plus y is equal to 100 and xy is equal to 100. Now here we have to put the value of xy. So here x is equal to 50 plus 20 square root of 6 plus y is equal to 50 minus 20 square root of 6, which is equal to 100. Now this cancel with this, so here 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So here 50 plus 50 is equal to 100, which is equal to 100. So this shows that the value of xy are the correct for this interesting question. Now we have to verify this equation number 2, which is xy is equal to 100. Now we have to verify the equation number 2. So here the value of x is, we have to verify this. So here x is equal to 50 plus 20 square root of 6 times 50 minus 20 square root of 6, which is equal to 100. Now we have to verify this. So we know that this is in the form of a square minus b square identity. So this will become 50 square minus 20 square root of 6 whole square, which is equal to 100. So here this is 2500 and this is 2400, which is equal to 100. Now 2500 minus 24, this is 100, which is equal to 100. So this shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So the value of xy, these values are the correct value for this interesting question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.